also the Taiwanese mangoes are different than the Mexican mangoes that we eat in America.
Do you think
There's two kinds of mangoes in Taiwan.
Oh, really?
One is big and one is small.
you think
I think the small
green
one.
one,
Small one.
green one, or the red and yellow one?
I think the green one.
No, the
Oh,
green
the
one
green
is called,
one.
yeah, it's little and it's very sour.
That's when it's the young mango, right? Is that a young
No, it's
unripe mango?
no, it's not. It's not a young mango. It's different kind of mangoes. Besides now besides we put it on the mango ice cream or mango mousse. Not the same. Or mango is not the same as the mango we use in the like ice cream or something. It's very sour. But it has a decent taste in it.
Okay.
Somebody likes that more.
The little mango is sour?
No, the
Yes,
little
the
and
little
green.
mango.
It's sour, it's not sweet.
So I think I'm talking about the red and yellow.
more sour, more sour than more sour than the red and yellow mango.
Maybe that's the same as the Indian, they make a mango pickle. It's like this pickled mango chutney in India, the little mangoes. It might be the same mango.
And the small and sour mango, we used to put sugar and make preserved mango.
Oh,
Okay.
that sounds good.
I haven't had
Is there a name for that?
Yeah, we just said dried mango. We just said
Dry mango.
The preserves are called dried mango?
Yeah, we just
Oh,
said
so it's
something
not,
dried.
it's not,
It's
you don't
dry.
spread it on bread.
No,
No, it's dry.
Not,
It's
not,
dry.
not paste, but sort of dried
in
mango.
English, many times the word preserves is used as a type of jelly or jam.
Oh.
So when you have fruit preserves,
No,
you add
Oh.
sugar to the fruits, and I don't know what the whole process is exactly, but you create a jelly that you can spread on the bread.
You cook it down with a lot of sugar, and then turns into a jam. But you're right, that really confusing word, preserve, sounds
Yeah.
like more like a dried fruit.
Like we used to say, do you ever have preserved eggs? Do you
No,
know
not
preserved
preserved
eggs?
eggs.
Not in the U.S. Like the 1,000-year-old eggs, we don't have that. We eat fresh eggs.
You know that? You know what I mean?
I don't know what it is.
Like a 1,000-year-old egg?
Do you know that 皮蛋?
Pidan.
A black.
It's black.
Yeah.
Black.
That's the one, isn't it?
Oh,
1,000-year-old egg?
The dinosaur egg, right? Is that like?
Yeah, we had it at the beginning of a few days ago.
You always
It's black and the white of it's clear.
yeah, it's clear.
yeah, okay.
You call it 1,000 years old egg?
1,000-year-old. I thought that was the
so.
Chinese name.
No, I'll say it in the supermarket. It's a preserved egg. I use it. I type it in the dictionary. It's like, it's preserved egg. I even don't know it. In Chinese we only call it 皮蛋 because it's like the rubber. It's like the feeling is like a rubber.
Okay.
The 皮蛋.
It's like a gelatin.
Yeah, it's like jelly. It's like rubber. Or something.
Speaking about eggs, today we just had a fertilized duck egg for lunch.
Was it balut? The Vietnamese
It's
or Thai
it's a
word?
Vietnamese food, but the fertilized duck egg where
It's
you
Oh.
crack open the
partially
egg,
But the
developed
dark is
baby
inside.
egg.
The dark is
baby
inside.
duck is inside.
You surely can try everything. Huh?
Yeah, it was very good.
It was good.
Oh. Do you
Is
have
there feather?
No, there wasn't any feathers, but there was sort of a recognizable head shape with a little bit of a beak form, but it wasn't hard. It was very young.
Yeah. I think this one was 10 days. Incubated for 10 days, but I think they have older ones that probably would have more feathers and bones in it. But
They say that the younger ones taste better. So
yeah, it was like tasted mostly like an egg yolk, except for the little body and head that was in it, which was very good.
Do you have any dislikes? Something you just can't
Durian.
afford? Huh?
Durian,
Durian. What's a durian?
Lolian.
Leolian. Oh, that sticks, huh?
In English, it's called durian.
Durian. Oh, I can't stand it too.
I don't like that one.
Smell or the taste or
Well,
taste.
the best description I've heard of it is it's sort of like stinky cheese and banana mixed together. So
Yeah.
if that sounds good to you, maybe you like it.
No.
But I don't think it
Not
sounds
me.
very good.
Not me.
And I don't
Both
like
of
it.
those are good, but mix them together, that's not good. What's on it? I don't like papaya.
Papaya. Oh, I know. Why? Why not?
I think it tastes like, you know, the digestive, all our digestive fluids in the stomach. To me, it has that taste to it.
Oh.
And I understand it has that enzyme in it, which makes it taste like that. So,
Yeah.
I don't like that.
Some food?
Oh, there,
Or then you talk about fruits now. Do you any Taiwanese food you don't like, or you can't stand? You just can't stand.
I don't know if there's anything I can't stand, but there's certain things that I don't like as much.
What do you think about it? Or you just
Well, I'm not a very big fan of any type of dim sum or something with a lot of the gelatinous rice flour.
rice flour?
Like
Rice flour.
if it's
The sticky rice?
not the sticky rice, but that kind of glutinous rice flour. It's usually wrapped around things. Like one thing that I can think of, and I don't even think maybe it's not Taiwanese, but I always eat it when I'm here. Those shrimp rolls with the glutinous rice wrapped around it, but it's not rice. It's the flour. It's like it's not a dumpling, but it's shaped like a spring roll, but it's soft, and I think it's maybe Vietnamese, but I always eat it in Taiwan.
Oh,
But that dim
maybe
sum thing.
maybe I know how to sing it.
You get like 3 or so on a plate.
You don't like changfen.
There's 3 of everything.
No, I like
on a
those.
plate.
When they're small little dumplings, I like that, but when they're the
No, but
big
the long,
ones,
like ricey, like
Yeah.
I know what you're talking.
I don't really like those.
That. I mean, it's okay.
And then another one that I don't like that I had the other day was that bao yun. You liked it. I don't know what it's called. Is that what it's called? Bao yun? It was like
Bao wan?
Bao wan.
The big.
Bao
Oh, because of
The
the
inside was good, but I think that the outside is too thick and
Oh,
I
too
think
thick,
that's the
okay.
glutinous. That's the kind of glutinous.
in the
rice flour.
rice flour and
I-
something.
I like it only a little bit, so I don't like to have too much of it. So I like it when it's thinner.
Okay, it's too thick.
Yeah.
Yeah. One thing I don't like is a lot of the big fat chunks of meat. In America, we like. In America, we like more of the lean meats, or if there's some fat to it. But like when it's mostly fat, like seems like a lot of the Taiwanese like a lot of these pork knuckle or the chicken feet, which.
The chicken feet are good.
This trip, every pork knuckle I had was much better. I was actually enjoying them. They would melt and fall apart. Usually it's like more like chewy, hard to chew fat. I don't like the chewy, hard to chew fat.
Yeah.
So do you like the sausage in Taiwan? Because there's
The sweet
fat,
sausage.
the sweet sausage, and there's fat in it.
Well, I mean, like they have similar sausage in Europe, and but I actually like the Taiwanese better because the European one has much more herbs in it. But the sweetness in the Taiwanese sausage is really good, so I prefer that. But they're both similar fat. Sausage always has very high fat content.